Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. Grab your drink of choice and let's dive into today's topic.
In the United States, 84% of businesses operate without a single employee. That is over 27 million companies run entirely by one person. But running a solo business usually means wearing 15 different hats. Founders spend hours answering emails at midnight, chasing late invoices, and triaging customer support tickets. These administrative tasks consume the oxygen needed for actual growth. The traditional way to escape this bottleneck is to raise venture capital. Startups historically take on millions in funding to burn on salaries, office space, and management overhead. You hire a team to handle the logistics so you can focus on the product. We have seen hints that tiny teams can execute at massive scale before. When Facebook bought Instagram for $1 billion in 2012, the company had exactly 13 employees. This illustrates the shifting economics of running a business today. On one side, a human administrative assistant costs roughly $5,000 a month. On the other, an AI automation stack handles the same work for about $200. This collapse in operational costs led OpenAI CEO Sam Altman to predict a specific financial milestone: a billion-dollar company operated by a single founder. When an algorithm can write the code, schedule the marketing, and balance the books, the founder's job is no longer to execute tasks. Their core value becomes pure strategic judgment. Instead of a traditional hiring pipeline, modern solopreneurs are constructing virtual executive boards. They use AI as a 24/7 thought partner to fill the roles of chief marketing officer, financial officer, and CTO. A solo tech founder can feed months of raw financial data into a language model and get a comprehensive budget analysis in seconds. They can outline a product feature and have the system instantly draft a complete marketing campaign around it. Curious, observant tone. But these systems hit a hard boundary. The AI possesses vast general knowledge, but it lacks the founder's unique understanding of their specific market, their existing customer relationships, and their distinct personal tone. The machine generates the operational skeleton. The human must deliberately inject the specific insights and strategic direction that make the business viable in the real world. This boundary is even more visible outside of software. Imagine an independent chef receiving an alert minutes before a cooking class that a child attending has a severe egg allergy, and the planned menu relies heavily on eggs. Rather than canceling the event, the chef inputs their on-hand ingredients into an AI chat and asks for an immediate egg-free alternative suitable for children. The system outputs a workable menu in seconds. However, the algorithm cannot taste the substituted ingredients to check the seasoning. It cannot manage the physical energy of a crowded kitchen, and it cannot comfort an anxious child worried about their food. Similarly, a solo real estate agent might use workflow automation to instantly transcribe client calls and trigger immediate email follow-ups for new property leads. In these relationship-driven industries, the software handles the complex background logistics. That automation buys the human operator time and mental bandwidth to execute the empathy required to actually close a deal or run a successful class. This chart shows extreme financial leverage for single operators. Employee headcount remains at zero, while revenue scales past $3 million. But this reveals an immediate vulnerability. If you can launch a profitable app over a weekend, so can anyone else. The technical ability to write code and ship a product is no longer a scarce resource. Relying entirely on software mechanics as your competitive advantage is a guaranteed path to being copied. Defensibility has moved away from the code base. A modern business moat is now built on proprietary data, accumulated brand trust, and deep, unforgeable customer relationships. The most effective solo founders are not using artificial intelligence to remove themselves from their companies. They're using it to remove robotic, repetitive tasks from their own daily workflows. In a market saturated with autonomous execution and instant software generation, the highest premium belongs to genuine human connection.
Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. And if you're ready to get serious about making AI your coworker, not just your chatbot, you can get free prompts and a 30-day AI confidence checklist, no sign-up required, at everydayaimadesimple.ai. That's where I'm building tools, guides, and resources to help you confidently use AI in your everyday life and work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.